Okay, so we start now. So in the morning we'll go through the features about the marketing center. So for marketing, we have a separate portal for managing the marketing or the marketing features like pushing messages and and also the access state analysis in a separate portal. And for the marketing features, we need the marketing license for the access point, and it's based on the amount of the access point. So this is what we need to care. So this is where to enter the marketing center on the right top of the management interface. And so in the marketing we have this is old version. We can go through the, and also we can set a separate marketing management account for managing the marketing part. So it's in administrators. We go to the administrators, so creating the marketing admin account here. And also this is a building access state analysis. Actually the date includes totally how many clients are coming to this area, and which are the new guests and the new clients. Also clients here refers to the user authenticated by WeChat and SMS. So this is only we recognize as clients. And passes by means people just not working and just go through or pass by the network area. And also repeat guests and the client ratio. So this is the train line here. And so the push method here, this case we have introduced. We can based on different policies to push different messages. So also we support the offline promotion. So the marketing push here, first we have to notice is that we have two separate SSID type. One is normal for coverage, and second is for marketing. So it's different when we create the SSID. There is two options. So if we want to create the marketing SSID, so we have to choose the second type. And the difference is that in advanced options there is a disabled message push. And the set the marketing push procedures, like first we have to create a message template like SMS, WeChat, web page, or a banner there. And the second is based on the message, we have to set the rule. The rule is that when we push the message, like the first come and the return, and during accessing by intervals and different location and different schedule. So we can put based on different rules to push the message. And also at last we have to apply the rule to the SSID. And for online duration, it means when the client is online, we support SMS, WeChat, full screen web. Actually online, when the client's online, we can push all types of messages.
What do you mean by full screen?
Full screen 就是我们昨天说的，我把那个一个 picture upload 进去 controller， 然后它会做成一个 URL， 然后就 redirect 到这个 URL 上面去。
但是就是你所说，就是说我用半个小时过后，它会 redirect 我这个 URL 的意思。
就是我们的 full screen 就是这样做这样的一个，你把那个 picture upload 进去，然后
embedded web page，
这就是一个 banner。banner
就是刚开始就是舞动器的那个。
不是是这样的，就是我看后面有没有效果。这样，不过这是做的一个，就是在下面会有我们可以上传一个这个 banner。
在下面。对，
它在 browser 下面会生成一个 banner。
这是 embedded。
对 embedded。
它在上网的时候就会看到这个。对。
对。我们都过一遍。 So second, client discovery only SMS and WeChat. Also first access only SMS and WeChat. So this is when the client first access to the SSID, we can send SMS or WeChat message. Also when he come back, when connected to the network again, we can send a message. So this is only two types of in this kind of scenario. But online we can send all messages. Also offline we can push SMS, WeChat. Also we can use Facebook, get the email and the Facebook page or WeChat official account. And so first is WeChat. So WeChat we can send only text message or text and image. So this is for example, first one is only text, and second is text with message. This is different from the normal WeChat message. Actually, this message is linked. You can link this message to a URL. So when the client click this one, it will redirect to the URL. So this is text and message, text and image and message. And the second is SMS. We need SMS gateway or SMS modem to send message. This is the second time. And the third is embedded web page. It's just a banner on bottom of the browser. Also, in some applications, we also can push the banner. So the push rules here. The first is client discovery. It means when you can set the policy when the client have been stay away from the like the shopping mall for example 1 week or 1 month. So you can send a message to him. So this one is when he this is when he comes back and send a message. And the match close are first the discovery on the first we can disable or enable it. Offline duration more than 3 days, and the guest visit times. But the guest when it comes to like the shopping mall, 1 day, no matter how many times he walk in or out, he will be counted as 1 time. And the message only support SMS and WeChat. And here is client discovery can only apply to WeChat and SMS message. And the first access is same, only support SMS and WeChat. We can based on different location to send a message. And so during access we can push all of the types of messages. So the rules we can set by interval or online duration, guest visit times, and different locations. So different location we can refer to different floor. In different floor we can send different messages, and also different area. So the messages we can set support all types of messages: SMS, WeChat, web page includes the full screen and the banner. And offline, so offline push we support only WeChat and SMS. So we can set the message template in the controller, and we set the rule, and it will automatically send a message through WeChat and SMS. Also, next is the heat map. So the heat map here, it means for the latest version we have the dynamic heat map. So the dynamic heat map we can show every so if lesson in 1 day we can show by every 10 minutes, and lesson within 7 days we can show by every 1 hour, and if more than 7 days we'll show by every day. So this is a difference for different And for managing the floor plan, we can upload we can create area and in the area we can create building, and in building we can add different floors and different so to drag APs to there. So in the right down corner here is where we manage the different levels like area and floors, buildings. And here we create a new floor here and upload the floor plan. And then we can just drag this AP to the floor plan to where it has been installed here. So we can set the AP to show the running status, like how many clients are connected, the channel, and the throughput. Okay, this is the AP status. And for the heat map, first we have to scale the map. So we just click this map scale and click from one point to the other point. And for example, this is a sample building. We click from here to here, and that is like 10 meters. So just input 10 meters. It will automatically calculate the scale. And then we click the crowd density, so flow density. So it will appear this heat map. But we need some approximately it's 10 minutes to get the date from the controllers to show the date. Okay, we will introduce on the. So here is the marketing center here. So in the new firmware, it's a little bit different. So first we manage the floor plan here. So we can this Sundray. Okay, this is Sundray. And we can add a new building. Just drag it here. So this is area, and for example, we name it the Wi-Fi department. Okay, just make it Wi-Fi. So this is Wi-Fi building, and in the building we can add different floors, like floor 1, and we upload one picture. So this is the floor, and in the floor we can just drag the access point here. So we, for example, we deploy one AP here. Okay, so this is the access point. The APs. So in the settings, we can in the AP we can show online status, the throughput. So in this way to show the running status. And also we can show the other like online clients, transfer rate in the area, in the building, in the floor. So this is what we can show on the map.
Offline client.
Offline, no.
We don't track offline.
Oh, yeah, no track offline. We only show the online clients. So this is, you can show there is one online client and the throughput here. And also the heat map. If you want to see the heat map, first we, for example, map the scale. Just click and drag here. For example, here is 10 meters, so make it 10. and then we click the crowd density and the signal strength. We can define the signal strength and the duration here. It means how much time to stay the client signal and how much time he have been stay here. And we have to enable the heat map. Object. This one. Sundray. Okay. So we later we'll see the heat map because now there is no date here.
But your online offline is 没有开 WiFi 还是有开这个没连接上？
你是说哪里的 offline？
因为如果你这个是 track user 嘛，因为你自己讲你能 track passerby 嘛 ，how you define passerby？passerby
就是我没有连上我 WiFi 的，还有这个就是我刚才我们设定的这个地方是没有一个时间和强度嘛？
对，那 OK 我们所知道就是说 passerby 对我们来说就是说，只要我的 AP 能收到那个 mobile phone，就算那个 mobile phone 没有连接到我的，就说它有还是没有连接到我的那个 SSID， 它只说经过被我的 AP 看到的话，它就算是一个 passerby，就是能够就是你所说就是说过了8分钟过后，它在那个地方维持超过8分钟后，它就算是一个 visitor。那你的 passerby 的意思就是说，包括就是说我经过，
但是没有。
可是我并没有连接，我 WiFi 是登 on 的，可是我并没有连接你的 AP，或者是经过你的走廊经过，那算不算是一个 passerby？
是啊，他们没有连上我的，就是说，如果比如说他这个虽然连上了，但是有可能待的时间不长的话，我也是把它做一个 passerby。
就是 offline， 就是管它有没有连上，只要少过8分钟就算是 passerby。
对。
那如果说我没有连上，可是就是说你在这个房间上一个 AP，我没连上这个房间的 AP， 可是我 WiFi 是开着的，那我在这里逗留超过8分钟，我算不算是 visitor？
这个也会算。
也不会算。
也会算。
也会算。
对。So this part is the settings we can show. Maximum is 3 items. So we so this is the status here, and so this is heat map, and later we will check the date. And second is the access date. So this is totally date collected by the controller. So every level you can drop your mouse on, there will be an explanation. You can see that currently disconnected endpoint device had ever connected to the wireless net but did not reach the online duration. It means that less than 8 minutes, so we will recognize as the passersby. And the clients only the clients refers to guests authenticated by SMS and WeChat. And also here with duration, how much time the client have been stayed here. So also we can select last 30 days.
new guest 跟 new client 的差别
guest 我们不是有很多那个认证方式吗？它就是有它 client 它就只会计算 SMS 跟 WeChat， 但是其他的它就没有算在里面了。
OK。
这就是这边的 template。比如说我们刚才算的那个，它可能在的时间比较长，但它没有认证，所以这个时候也可能把它算到这个 client 那边，你 guest 那边去。这个 search 的话，因为现在我们之前是做了一些优化，但是这个就是效果不是特别明显，因为它有那些 search engine 基本上都是HTTPS， 所以不容易拿到数据，但是我们还是会拿到一些。我们之前做一些优化，就是比如说他用百度去搜索的话，他会把它重定向到 HTTP， 这样的话就可以拿到数据。所以我们可以看一下我们这台设备上就是拿到的一些信息。就我们有这个功能，但是不是去主推这个功能，因为它有的时候就是演示的时候不太容易能出现，所以这个。这就是我们在Central Office 里面部署的这台控制器。我们可以看到，像国内用的京东、百度，然后淘宝、美团这些 APP， Bing 都可以拿到这些搜索的信息。然后就是我们可以根据这些搜索的信息，比如说我可以设置这个 keyword， 我可以设置 keyword， 然后比如说他搜索这个 keyword 之后，我就可以给他 push message， 这样就是一个accurate message pushing。然后有一个排行榜，还有resources。所以这个功能现在在海外没有主推，因为它主要还是国内的一些 APP 和应用。但是海外的话，一般都是用Google 啊，它都是 HTTPS 加密的，所以这个比较难去拿到它的这个信息。Next is the message delivery. So this is message delivery comparison. Actually, this is a report about the message delivery and the first visit, first access, during access, search activity, and APV access. So APV access is what we introduced when the client is using some kind of application, so we can, based on the application, to push the message. And also we can compare between different time period, so we can compare on this so for example, we compare the last week and this week. So this is the last week. Let me check the client discovery, and second we can compare to this week. So 应该是没有数据。Okay, we compare all the data.这个里面好像是没有数据这个地方。7月20到10月15。 这里可能是没有这个数据，但是从上面是可以看到所有的这个推广的这个信息的。So in the tables, we can see how much time the message have been pushed to the client. The first is WeChat, and second SMS, and the web page. So last is totally how much time the message have been pushed. So we can export the date for analyze. 因为这个是中文的，这个我的这个系统可能显示有点问题，这个。So this is the push times in different push method. And also next we have the date comparison between access date analysis and access date comparison. The first one is we can select different AP group here, AP and areas based on different AP group. So comparing, for example, the first floor, the second floor of the shopping mall. So this is the access totally guessed, and we can compare because there is only one group here. So in the other group we can compare like different group, and in the bottom there, here we can see like 11% is less than 10 minutes in the network, and around 8 point is 10 to 30 minutes, and in more than 8 hours we have more than 26%. So these are the stop working overtimes in office. So we can compare based on different places and based on different time period. Also, we can export this as a PDF file for a report. So this is access date comparison report. So we can directly see, because this is only one group here. So there's only one date. The first is totally guessed, and the second is based on different in this month. So you can see every day the trend of the guests coming here. And the second is a new guest, so you can see every day how many new guests coming to the network. And also next we have in this month how many new guests coming to the network, and also in which are the clients, and also based on each day, and also repeat guests. So you can see from the trend line, the repeat guest is going down or going up to analyze the running status of the shopping mall. So this report can be a very good analyze for the operators to make some decisions, to like make some activities or get some promotions. So this is the report here. And next is user profiling. So user profiling is need license. Is for user profiling. Now we go to another device. we have to enable the you can see the notice that this feature need a user profile license, and also we have to enable the access state analyze. So we go to we have so for this user profiling, we have to set the tags in the objects here. So for example, we can here we have the financial management and different applications here. So we can refer to you want to put your application or your website into this tags. And second, food, games, shopping, social net, traveling, this kind of application. So firstly, you can modify or add your own new tags into this group, and then in the user profiling, it will automatically show totally in the network. We can see this one with state here. So we can see this is a tag. So we create like instant message and the shopping and the video. So you can see totally in the network what are running in the network. Like so here around 30% is using is instant message, and 23 is using the online shopping. So it means that your a lot of stuff are visiting online shopping websites during work times. So this is not good signal. And second, we can show how much time the client have to stay here. So less than 10 minutes. If less than 10 minutes is too high, so it means that your the shopping mall is not attractive for the customer to stay here. So you can see the purple line here. There is more than 30%. So Sundray people are working very hard in the office. And the Wi-Fi. This is how much time they stay here, and this is how much time they're using the Wi-Fi network. And you will see they like the Wi-Fi network or not. So maybe they're not using Wi-Fi. They're using Wi-Fi for a long time. Maybe they are not shopping here. Just using your free Wi-Fi. So you can set the policy like only 10 or restrict the Wi-Fi times. And also we can see in a week which day has the most guests here, and also from this is the rush hours. So you can see during which period, which time of the day have the most new guests coming here. And also the frequency of people coming to your shopping mall. For example, there is more than 20 times. They have a lot of more than 380 people. So it means that there is 300 people coming frequently to your shopping mall. So this is a very good signal for that to say that your shopping mall is attractive for your customers coming back to shopping frequently. And this feature do not support by the English version, because this is based on the phone numbers of the Chinese vendors, and the genders were coming from the WeChat, and also here is terminal type. Okay, so this is the user profiling in the total network, in the whole network, to generate the report, and also we can get the report from the controllers. Also, we need to wait for the report to generate. And also here,可能我这个账号没有权限下载。And also here we have the guest information. So this is just now we introduced the user profiling for the total network. So this level shows the guest information is user profiling for the single user. But this user profiling only support WeChat and SMS-based authenticated user. So this is the but we are pushing the R&D to do it for the Facebook authenticated user, because now it's not included. So maybe next version will support that for the Facebook users. So you can see from so this is SMS authenticated, and second is WeChat authenticated. So we can click to see that. So for the single user profiling, first is also we have the tags, but the difference is it's not the percentage here is how much time. For example, this user have been using using the Wi-Fi for video totally about 5.7 hours. So it means that this is office, so this stuff may be always working video, not working not for the work. So you can see. Also, the second is online shopping, so it's doing video and online shopping always. It takes around maybe 8 hours. And how much time he stay here, and how much time he used the Wi-Fi, and which time he during the week, how many times he comes every week. So you can see that he works every Saturday almost, and for Sunday seldom, only once. And also which time he comes at most. And also here we can see here is what we call this in the there was no date. There is a working pass about this single user. It means that from here the first is the let's find a newly reserved this one. Okay, so for this the user working pass here, we can see the first is we can see from the access point. So we can see the user is running is working state in the exhibition hall for 1 minute, and so it's working from the exhibition hall to the canteen and to the 7th floor today. So this is a working pass for a single user. So from this we can see the customer in your shopping mall, how is the user working by this access point. And also we can see by the different groups. So you can see in different groups how much time he have been stayed. So you can from this you can see which area is attractive for this customer. And for example here in 7th floor he stayed for 27 minutes. So here in different for totally day he stayed for the first floor for 30.6 hours. So this is user working pass for a single user. This is also we can export this date. So because we don't do the positioning, so we can, if there is another third-party application, they can based on this state, they can based on this database to generate the train line of the single user. So for example, he's walking from APA to AP2, so join the train, join the working route. And next is the message pushing. So the first is captive portal. So when we set the SSID here in the network, we can set the captive portal here. I don't know whether you remember here. We can set the captive portal, select it based on the marketing center. So in the marketing center object captive portal. So when I set SSID, I don't need to specify the captive portal. It is defined by the marketing people. So maybe they have to change it by different rules. So we can set the different captive portal for. So we can try to set SSID. I'm sorry. So we can set the SSID based on different for the SSID based on the marketing the management portal. Only the marketing department said when to push which captive portal. So this is also an improvement. 电脑我看一下。好像比较热是吧？空调今天开不了。So here we set the SSID captive portal based on settings in the marketing center. So we will see this one, and we can change the captive portals here, and also we can customize to change the customize the captive portals. So this is give the captive portal authorization to the marketing department, so they can create their own captive portal and change the settings. And the task here, it means that it is offline message sending. So we can set. So we go to the templates. So the first one is WeChat message. We can set the text. So welcome to Sundray. So this is a template. And second is SMS. So but we need the SMS gateway and SMS mode or SMS modem to send a message.
One thing so for SMS, right? Is there a way for the customer to unsubscribe SMS?
What mean?
就是说假如说我进了一个购物商就是用WiFi 嘛。
我明白你的意思，就是说你退订是吧？就是说我不再要你的那个，你不要再给我发信息了。这个暂时没有。
那我们就
有问题吗？
新加坡出了一个新的法定，就是说一定要包括这一块才可以。
就如果你发 SMS 或者是其他消息也会有这样的问题。
对，下面就有个一行，就是说如果你不要接受这个再继续的信息的话，请转发一个号码，还是 unsubscribe 这个字发回这个语音
那这个如果是这样的话，就是要我们跟那个 SMS gateway 的话就互动，比如说他收到这个给我们发一条信息，我们就不再给这个用户发这个，这就需要去互动。那我记一下这个。
这是新加坡的法律，就是说没有这一行的话，我们不可以我们还会被罚款。
OK。
被罚，就是说我们就是说没有办法阻断。因为 WeChat 的话很容易嘛 ，WeChat 的话是因为你是 use 你的那个你的那个 WeChat 的账号嘛，只要他unfollow 你的话，他就不会再接受这个信息了。
对。
所以 WeChat 这一块是很方便的，就是我们只是差，就是说，在新加坡因为 WeChat 不用多嘛，但是可以主攻就是在 SMS 跟 email 这一块。
那如果是这样的话，那必须 SMS 平台是我们自己的，或者是用我们自己的 SMS gateway 才能这样做。
对。对，所以我们就是在新加坡会有一个经验，就是说用户就是在客户他们可以自己去申请 SMS gateway。
你是说用户是 customer 还是？
就是购买这个是像 shopping mall 这样，shopping mall 购买这个后，
那比如说那一定要这个 SMS gateway 支持这个你刚刚说的这个退订。
没有我不知道他们做法，我就不太清楚。我只知道就是说，但是要不说我可以说跟你买Sundray，那他们就是说一个商场可以买Sundray，然后就自己去买的那个 SMS gateway。因为新加坡 SMS gateway 只是一个很小的一台机器，这样就是插进去那个电脑或者插进去这个机器，你就经过他发 SMS 出去。那如果说在新加坡规定说，如果你发 SMS 出去，就是给观众是 advertisement， 就是一个广告信息嘛。那客户有选择性，就是说能unsubscribe。如果 unsubscribe，就是说他会发一个你就回去这一组号码，就是你 SMS 里面的号码，他就通知你的系统，就是说删除这个号码，或者说不允许再发送 SMS 给这个号码。
对，因为我们现在发这个信息是database 相当于是在 controller 里面，对吧？但是如果他要，比如说他收到是在 SMS gateway 上收到，他收到这个时候要把这个信息转发给我的 controller， 就是让 SMS gateway 跟这个 controller 之间要有一个互动，就是要同步这个信息。
所以我们有一种我们在卖另外一个品牌，就是说它是一个 monitoring tools，就是说它也是 USB 接口，那我们能插一个那个 USB dongle进去那一个机器，算是由于那一个机器的转发 SMS。
就一个小的东西 USB 吗？还是？
对，它就是那个我们叫做什么？这是我们叫做那个3G dongle 或者 4G dongle。就是
那种3G 的那种小的 router 那种，像类似那种的吗？
对，可是它是一只
很小的东西。
对，像一只单 drive 这样的，所以你能插 SIM 卡在里面。那一只就是因为它是一个 USB 管嘛，它是能插进电脑或者是插进器材。那我们的那个产品就是说，它是为了就是说器材的那个监控，所以器材出问题的话会发一个 SMS 给那个客户，比如说你机器当还是什么，他就是把这一个 SMS 的那个东西插进那一台机器人。
但是也需要机器能够支持它的那个。
所以就是那个机器要能支持那个东西，然后就告诉你说我是只能支持哪一种牌的。
这就它应该不会做到所有的品牌都会适配。
对，就是大致上只要是就是他们会去测试大部分的品牌。
对，
只要这个品牌。
Okay, next is the full screen web page app. So we have two types. First is test. We make it test, and the first one is what we said, the full screen advertisement. We just upload from the PC. So we try to get one.
或者就是说，你们也能放进 email 也可以 ，email 的做法。
是哪？
因为反正 advisors 可以发邮件出去，只是要把你的那个 advisors 连接到一个 email 上面。
你说用
因为你现在还是只能 公就是 SMS 跟
WeChat
嘛，
嗯，
那新加坡最大的还是
email。
校园能发 email 这一块。
你是说用 controller 直接发吗？还是说用？
就是用你的这个 marketing center 发 email。
那可能后面还需要再开，因为现在没有做这个直接发 email 的。但是发是因为我们有 SMTP server，只要把这个接口放开，你要把这个 database 放到里面去做这样的一个功能。给我。
不过的话，marketing center，上学的 marketing center 在新加坡会比较难，所以我们有这些功能。
OK。
因为新加坡还活在 email 的年代，大致上是靠 email，SMS 还比较少，因为新加坡这个新的法定，所以 email 的好就是说，我可以一直发 email 给你，你要告我，你告不了我。
是吗 ？email 是可以一直发的。
是因为你可以用 external email server 嘛，你可以上网，随便去开一个 email 入口嘛，那连接下来，它就一直转发，那你告这个公司说，这不是我的 email 账号啊，这是别人 email 账号转发的，你有什么，就人家盗用我的信息来转发，你不会告我。那 SMS 不一样嘛，你需要申请一个 SMS 号来做这个 SMS 的一个转发。
SMS 它就是要绑定信息了。
对，所以如果是这样的话，新加坡的法律就是说不能这样做，一定要能来看客户能状况。
Okay. So for the full screen web page, we have two methods. The first one is we can upload the picture from the PC. There is also restriction about the size about the pictures. The mobile is 512 KB and PC is 2M.
所以如果你 upload picture 的话，就是说它会 redirect 去那个
这个 picture 上面
send for 的一个 local URL 是吗？
也是 OS 那个打头的，只不过它下面有一个，我待会可以试一下。
就是有点像它 redirect 你去 local host。
对。
那 local 就是那说，可是它有没有那个？可是它连接到那里之后，它会不会说有一个时间管理，就是说它会停留在几秒过后再放开，再让客户继续用？
就是它，如果你不点或者你不动，它就在这个界面上面嘛。它有一个 close 的。OK。
或者 URL 两个 URL 或者就是照片。
对 URL。然后比如说我去Sundray.com。
可以放时间吗？
什么时间？就是这样嘛，就这样一个 preview 的。因为我这个尺寸不对，它就说有这个 full screen。
如果用电脑的话，就用 PC 呢
？PC 就是这样。我们待会可以看，因为它这个有一个这个，这个就是这个 this picture we can also link to a URL. For example, we link to Baidu.com. So if you see this picture and you click this picture will redirect to Baidu, link to Baidu. And also we have this is a banner, and also we can upload from the PC here. Okay, the banner we can also link to Sundray. Okay. So this is all the message templates we can set: WeChat, SMS, full screen web page. There is upload a picture, and also redirect to a URL. And the last is a banner here. 这样的就是这样的，就是在你的 browser 上面会有一个这个，
可是有一个插就可以，
对对对，可以擦掉。
那它会一直出来吗？
这个是你可以设置 policy 嘛，就什么时候出来，就是所有的这个 template 它都是只是一个 template， 但是你什么时候去推的话，就是我们要设置一个 rule。
哇，这可以强制性打广告。
是啊，就是强制广告嘛。
这样很好，客户应该喜欢。
So this is the template, and then we set when to deliver the rules. So first visit only support SMS and WeChat, and first access. First visit is when the client have been stayed away from maybe for 3 days, but he comes back and access to the network. We'll send him a message. And the first access is the first time access here. And in different location, or we can send different messages. So here we can test these during access and also based on application. So based on application, also we can based on the tags. You see that? So also we can based on the tags. You can add your own, for example, here is the financial management. So if we detect this user, the user group is financial, most we can send a message. Let's test this. We set up an 这个上面有 SSID 在下面。咦，这个上面没有 AP 啊。So we create one marketing SSID here. So you can see here this message a delivery enhanced message delivery or post enable. And second, we can make it open and photo. So make it open. So SSI VLAN settings 20. Also, we have to make sure there is marketing license here. So you can see max AP involved in message delivery. So this is marketing license for the AP access point. We have to make sure there is license on the access point. And in the marketing here, we set the policy like, for example, for screen. So because we for test we set it interval, make it less。3秒应该不行，最低30秒，没事情。5 or integer between 30 or 最低是5秒。
这它每5秒会出现一次。
对，就是你，比如说你在上网的时候，你每5秒会 redirect 到那个 page 上面去。
就是那个 redirect。对。
Online duration will make it 1 time, and or the access point we support, and network we support. If you do not enable the marketing or create the normal SSID, will not show up here. So make sure the SSID have enabled the marketing. So also we can set based on different authentication type to, for example, you set the SSID, but there is also staff and the guest in the same SSID. So you can separate different authentication type, which one to send message, which do not send message. And here we have the for screen, and that's for screen. Okay. So when we connect to the SSID about marketing. Okay, we get marketing. That's very well. Oh yeah, locking. The marketing, the SSID is marketing. So for example, here we enable the pushing for screen message, and when we set the policy about every 5 seconds, we'll redirect to the message.那个 full screen。等一下，我看一下这个 policy。有出现吗？等一下啊。
这里是整个密集的。Also the possible personalization is
现在会这个就会有，你这边是没有吗？
就手机是不一样的吗？
对对，手机是不一样的。
可是手机的话就不能。
我没有设置那个点。等一下。你手机的点不了吗？应该也可以点了。
点了去百度。
对对对，就是被加给百度。
哦，因为你的照片就是。
对对，我是只做那么大，所以你要点到那个照片上面去。
哦，会出这个你要等1分钟，说我一直点不可以嘛？其他人都要点那个照片啊，
因为我这个照片比较小，所以要很大一点。
说他能 redirect， 就如果说不要 redirect 可以吗？
你说不要 redirect 什么样的？
就是说，如果我现在因为我现在在上网嘛，上在一万你出这个照片嘛，那我点这个照片的时候，它应该回到我上网的。啊，
是这个以前是 post 是吧？
对，
这个是比较流氓的做法。
啊，新加坡还是
让你要去看广告，但是那个 banner 它是一个 post 的。
啊，那 banner 就可以，因为手机的话，就是说你只能就是说能强求它能关掉，是能强求在哪里，它可以关掉，可是你不能说上一个网页过后让它引导去别的地方。那在新加坡会比较有恐慌的人就会直接说你的网站有病毒还是有什么不想登录你的公司的地方。所以就是你的 banner， 我们也是会做，就是说我们说上传的照片，我们也是会说你点哪里都可以，需要看公司它都是一个广告什么什么其实点它可以回去算。对，因为新加坡比较往那种友善的方法去做，就是说你还是要让客户去使用它原本的在上面的东西。
就是我们是做可能他可能点那个 back 那个回去，
客户不广啊，所以导致恐慌啊。那个所以可是那个 banner 的话就很好。对对
，banner 就是
强制性，就是说，因为你用免费的东西，就是会有一个代价。下一个我们是没有，就像你用那些
banner，那我就先把这个 disable。So we try the banner and location on and let's see how to do this. Banner and then the interval also seconds 还是5吗？我记得以前可以是1的。Okay, so we have banner. 先 log out 一下试一下。 要等1分钟，也是要等1分钟之后。
但是每1分钟会出现一次。
5秒，需要在线5秒，它就相当于是会一直出现。我现在已经有了。也可以，我因为我刚才设置那个是我的主控吧。是一个内地的网页，是加了个会议。那有些user 他会就是那有些会被那个因为它有些网页它也会加那个banner对重复掉。有啊，
我有我的东西啊。
因为你这个是网页版的，
不是它质量，
我猜你这个是 M 点。因为你这个 M 点100.com 就是 PC 版的网页。
会不会直接跳去 PC
版？你这个好像是应该直接跳到 M 点了。
出来了。因为我点它也可以点它的话是直接。
对，因为第7个。
点它直接跳到。
这个点是中文吗还是英文的？
英文。
那个最主流的。你是default browser 吗？还是
default browser。
这是 Chrome 是吧？有一些浏览器的。
哇，你那个有头呀。
出来一次。 光还是不行，光有些就是浏览器它有些会把你的那个给占掉。就点一下那个标上去，可以关掉，或是点那个。
你用什么？你用科吗？是用什么保证？你现在用安保证？
所以这个就会看到这个 push times 在这个地方会有。So for application recognize in bridge mode, we have to enable this application identification in bridge mode. So it's here in the system in application identification. We go to enable application for tunnel mode. So by default, it's enabled in tunnel mode, and you have to enable for bridge mode. So for bridge mode, because you can see here application identification for bridge mode. Advanced settings, we have the mirror package. It means that we mirror the first 10 package to the controllers, or if it's not very work well, so we can like mirror the 20 packet, so for improve the accuracy for recognizing application bridge mode. So we can also push based on application in both in tunnel mode and bridge mode. So this is the marketing options. Okay, so this is the marketing introduction. So we can, the first is we have the dynamic heat map. Alright, let's check. We have date here.刚才不是这一台吗？刚才不是这一台。哦，那个 AP 被移走了，那个 AP。So we also get some research from the keywords research from the search engine. So you can see here, but it works better for Baidu. So 我们就是根据这个百度搜索引擎，我们可以拿到用户的这个 search 的 keyword， 但是现在只能国内的这些 search engine 做的会比较好一点，比如说百度，然后淘宝这些东西。Access. So we have to enable the access state and analyze in the marketing center options. So after enabled, we can see the date here. If you don't enable, you will not get the date here. And so for the summarization for the marketing center, first we have the heat map. So we can based on different time intervals, within 1 day, within 7 days, more than 7 days. And second is access state and analyze. So we can have the total guest, we have the new guest, new clients, and also we have the password spice. So we can set the close that match the close. For example, stay here for in the settings we can define lesson duration less than 8 minutes, or the signal is too weak. It means that it's far away from here. So also we can get the search keywords. This is what we in the controller we have been testing, so we can get the search keywords in the search engine, what the customers like. And the next is the message delivery. So we can deliver the message. First it's SMS, and second WeChat, and third we can push the web page. There is two types. The first is the full screen upload from the picture, upload the picture from to the controller, and second is we just redirect to the URL. And next is the banner. So we can add banner to the web page. Also in some application will also work. But we want to do the POC, which is suggest to use the default browser. It will work, because in some browsers they will block the advertisement in the web page. And also we can compare the date between different areas, different controllers. Also for the centralized management, we can compare different from branch to the headquarters, different branches controllers. So this also all of the data we can generate a report for the operators to make some decision, like the repeat ratio is going down or going up, or the total guess is going down or going up. So this is data comparison. And also we can do the user profiling. So we can identify what the user mostly like in the network, like how much percent of the network they spend on the like online shopping, on video, or which day the peak day they come to during the week, and in the single day which hour is the rush hour, so they can prepare for this peak hour for the specified date. And also we can do the user profiling for the single user. For single user, we can know how much time he have been using the Wi-Fi, and how much time he have been staying in the network. But this is total time he has stay here. Also we can know how much time he have used the Wi-Fi network. And also we can know the working path for the single user, like he's working from shop A to shop B, in each shop how much time he have been stayed there. And also we can know we can make an API group, for example, first floor, second floor, third floor. Maybe the first floor is for clothes, and the fourth floor is for restaurant, for food. So you can see this user he stayed in the fourth floor for a long time. It means that he come for the restaurant, not for the clothes. So you can see the appetite for every single user. And next is the templates. We can to modify the templates and set the rules. And also in the task we can send offline messages based on the rule. The rule is that we can just send to the, we can filter based on the database. For example, the number of visit, he have been visit only one time, but he haven't come back for maybe maybe 2 weeks. So we can send a message that we have a promotion, so you come back to shopping here. So this is we can push the message here. So this is for the marketing center. So for wired authentication, first we need the wired authentication license here. Wired interface authentication. So actually we have the maximum client here, but we don't charge based on that. Based on the clients, we just charge for the controller, one controller, one license. So this is the difference with other competitors. And so for the wired authentication here, first we have to define the zone. So for example, here we define the zone in about the interface, both physical interface or VLAN interface. We can both support that. So for example, we define ETS3 here, and then we define the authentication policy. So for the wired authentication, we have to use the internal the captive server in the controller. So we can add authentication servers here and set the policies here. So we can try to try more with authentication server. 这个我们下午再详细讲吧。这个